Hey guys, it's me Sujoy over here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best Monday.com alternative. I've been using the software for my online business for a while now, and the name of this platform is called as BADI. They're basically an online media planning tool, and of course, it's also a CRM software. So let me just quickly walk you through the main website over here of BADI. So you can see over here that this is an online media planning tool. You can efficiently create, schedule, and optimize your online media plans, be in control, and gain insights into all your online marketing campaigns. So if you see over here, you can create multi-channel media plans. You can allocate the budget and create your campaigns through BADI. So if I can just scroll this over here down, you can schedule your whole year. You can allocate your budget towards channels and forecast your spends. So if you want to run some social media ads, you can optimize your budgets, your workflows. You can see over here that you can basically schedule everything. So let's just go over here to if I come out here, you can see you have companies which are currently getting great success with BID. So you can see the end of your group. So basically, there's an agency group, and they've been using BID. And they've been getting great success. The other one is an e-commerce site called as Vice and Creative. So they actually ship over 30,000 products worldwide. So they are implementing BID as well. So if I can just go over here, about us section for BID, so you can check their story. And of course, you have the founder over here of BID. If I just show you their team, you have Anton, who is actually the founder of BID, and basically he's the main brainchild behind this CRM software. So they have a dedicated team over there. You can check out a couple of their successful case studies. So if I just click over here for cases, so you can see that. Oh yeah, I already mentioned about that at the end of our group. Let's just go for the pricing and the plans and the pricing. Okay, so currently they're providing four pricing packages. One is for the freelancers, small, medium businesses, corporates, and enterprises. So, if you're a small business owner, you're a startup, I highly recommend you check out the small medium business package because you can get all the standard tools, up to three logins, up to eight advertisers, media platform connections, up to three connections, 11 to 35,000 K, 35K for ad spend. And, of course, if you're a big corporate, you can check out the corporate package. Or if you're an enterprise, you can contact their sales and you can request for a free demo. So the best part over here is when you're actually availing these packages, they do provide a 14-day free trial. Monday.com also provides a 14-day free trial, but the reason why I like BID is that it's very simplified, it's not very complicated, and they have a dedicated team, and they have a great customer support. You can even get a custom feature built for your company, so they can even set up the campaigns for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a link down in the description below for you to get access to BID. You can check out their website, and also you can test out BID with their 14-day free trial. So if you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So remember, I'm keeping the link down in the description below. Have a great day. Bye.